Hello students, today we are going to see the factorization of the trinomial. But how this trinomial is? So degree of this trinomial is 2 and that's why it is called quadratic trinomial. Actually, in the last video, we saw various type of factorization by grouping the term, then by using the identity or by taking the common factor. But here if you see, there is nothing is common. Okay, and here there are three odd terms. So you can't group also. So what is the method for that? So these only terms you are going to arrange into the four terms. Instead of three, we will have the four terms. But how that four terms will be? So this 9p we are going to split up. We are going to split up this 9p such that I get the four terms. But how to split up the 9p? So I have to group the terms also. So my next criteria is going to come group the term. तो ग्रुप द टर्म के लिए जो भी कंडीशन नेसेसरी है दैट वी आर गोइंग टू डू हियर. व्हाट इज द कंडीशन शुड बी? तो वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 20. Okay, we are going to find out the factors of 20 such that what you going to get, their addition will be 9. If you follow this condition, the product, that is I say you can make the box like this. Product, two columns. First is the product column and here addition column. So product what you want here 20 and addition you want 9. Okay, so you are going to find out the factors of this. You got already the factors. Out of that, search the factor which will give the addition and say 9. Why addition? So because everything is plus, so I want both the factors should be plus only. So 5 and 4. So this polynomial or this is the trinomial. I am going to write it different way. Let us see. P square. Always make the habit of writing the bigger factor first. Okay. Why? It is not compulsory, but it will, what you can say, give you the correct answer. Write the middle term sign, write the bigger factor 5p, then write the smaller factor 4p plus 20. Now instead of these three terms I am having four terms. Is any change is there? I change any sign or any number. 20 I have written as it is, p square I have written as it is, only p square I have written as it is. Now only instead of 9p I am writing 5p and 4p. Is anything wrong? No. 9p is equal to 5p plus 4p, that we know. Now only four terms are there. Now we will group the terms. This is one group. Always make the habit of underlining the term. Okay. Now from the first group I can take p common. I am going to get p plus 5. In the second I am going to get 4 common, p plus 5. If you not able to solve, say 4's table till you get 20. 4 5s are 20. I got one bracket repeated, p plus 5, p plus 4. This is my answer. Means it was the quadratic trinomial. I made it as a polynomial, 4 terms, and then I got the factors. Okay, let us see one more example. You know what is meant by quadratic? I told quadratic means degree should be 2 and trinomials means there should be 2 terms. Okay, see one more example. A square plus 7a plus 12. Okay, now what is the number you are going to factorize? You are going to factorize 12, or what answer you should get? 7. Okay, and now this is a 7, what you can say, plus 7. So that's why we don't have to consider about the minus sign. When minus sign will come, that time we will talk about the minus sign. Till now we are solving the plus only. Now what are the factors of 12 I am going to get? I have to get the 7 as a addition. First factor, always write 12 ones are 12. Then second, 6 2s are 12. Then 4 3s are 12. Out of this, only one is my answer. And which is the answer? I want the 7 as a addition. So this is my required, this one 12. 4 3s are 12. For the time being, write like this all factors. When you will practice these sums more and more, you don't have to write anything. You can directly solve the example. What is going to become? A square plus 4a plus 3a plus 12. Correct? Now what is going to become a, what you're going to take first one, group the terms first. What is the first group? This is the second group. Okay. Now what is common? A is common. A plus 4. You understand how to take common. I told lower index is common. And out of a square, 1 is the outside. So we are going to get here a. Plus sign as it is. 4 is not outside taken common. So 4 will remain as it is. Now 3 is stable. You are going to say 3 is stable. 12 is coming. A plus 4. So what is going to get here? A plus 4 and a plus 3. Okay. Let us see one more example. I think hope you understand. Now you can tell me the factors. Let us say y square plus 21y plus 20. Now which number you are going to factorize? 20. You are going to factorize 20 such that 21 should be the addition. What are the factors of 20? 20 multiplied by 1. Always write the first factor. And 20 plus 1 gives you 21. I told you that once you get the practice, if you know the tables, you don't have to write this tape at all. You can directly write. But make a habit always writing like this. Factors with the sign. Like this you can write. Okay, only one factor but with the proper sign. Both are plus. Anything we are not discussing about the minus now. So what is the factors? Y square plus, I told you always write the bigger number first, plus 1y plus 20. Is it necessary to write 1y? No. If you write only y, then also it is okay. Now y is common. Y plus 20 plus 1 and 20. What is common? Yes, 1 is common because 20 ones are 20. So 1 is a factor of 20. I told 1 is a factor of all numbers. So again it is going to come 20. What is the next is going to come? Y plus 20 and y plus 1. This is about the plus sign. Okay. Do you understand this example? Let us see one more example. The last one. We are going to practice this more. M square plus 17m plus 30. Now I have to find out the factors of 30. But I know the factors of 30. And the addition should be 17. So what factors will come? 6 5s are, 30 1s are, 10 3s are, 15 2s are. So I am writing here directly 15 2s are. What are the signs? So both signs will be plus. Make a habit of writing like this factors every time with the sign properly. Now let us write it as say m square plus 15m plus 2m plus 30. Now underline the group the term, first group the term, then take common m into bracket m plus 15 plus 2 into bracket m plus 15. What is common? M plus 15 is common. So let us write it as say m plus 15 m plus 2. This was the given trinomial. We wrote it in the multiplication form and that is called a factorization.